To connect JBL Tune Flex with Android smartphone, first you will need to download JBL headphones app. You can also skip this step as the earbuds can be connected without the app, but to get the best features you will need to download it. Then we can open a case with our earbuds inside, remove both of them, and move to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Now in available devices, we should be able to see our earbuds in a moment. Here they are. You might see a connect pop-up as well, but I want to do it through the Bluetooth just like that. So now we have our headphones connected. We can open JBL headphones app. And here's our earbuds visible in the app. Just to confirm that they are connected, we can also enter the options for the headphones to adjust them.